Cafecito Adventures by House of Sid, Mexico City. 2019, I visited Mexico City for the first time, and we wanted to find as many unique places as possible. And this little cafe we found near our Airbnb called Clara. It was a little cute cafe that served breakfast sandwiches and coffee, and it was very small but very cute and delicious. And they had these great combos for about $5. They make you a homemade breakfast sandwich with delicious coffee, and we actually got to meet somebody there that was from Los Angeles, and we made a new friend in Mexico City. It was great walking around, exploring the city, finding new places. And one thing I loved about the cafes or coffee shops in Mexico City was most of them actually serve food as well, not just coffee, not just pastries. You could get some pretty yummy food as well. Can't wait to go back to Mexico City and explore more cafecitos.